I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Scooty. While both are two-wheeled vehicles, they cater to very different needs. Excel refers to a range of mobility scooters, built for stability and ease of use for individuals needing assistance. Scooty, on the other hand, represents a popular line of lightweight motor scooters, perfect for navigating busy city streets. Understanding their core purposes is key to choosing the right one for you. When it comes to performance, these two vehicles have distinct goals. Excel mobility scooters are engineered for a smooth, stable ride, typically reaching a maximum speed of about 8 miles per hour, focusing on safety and comfort. TVS Scooty models, however, are powered by engines up to 110 cubic centimeters, designed for agile city travel and quicker acceleration, making them ideal for daily commutes and navigating traffic efficiently. Let's look at their design and features. Excel mobility scooters emphasize user comfort with ergonomic seating, adjustable steering columns, and often include generous storage baskets. They also feature robust suspension systems for varied terrains. TVS Scooty models are known for their lightweight build, making them easy to handle. Many models offer convenient features like external fuel filling, tubeless tires, and modern digital instrument clusters for an enhanced riding experience. So, who should choose which? Excel mobility scooters are best for those seeking reliable, comfortable assistance for longer distances or individuals with mobility challenges. They offer stability and support. TVS Scooty is perfect for young riders or anyone needing a nimble, fuel-efficient vehicle for quick trips, daily commutes, and navigating urban environments with ease. Your personal mobility needs and intended use will guide your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.